be your own cheerleader. If you don't find one, then be your own, because sometimes time comes that you have fallen so many times that no one trusts you. But when no one stands beside you, you will be the only one standing beside you. No one else shall come and tell that bhai ho jayega. Yeah, it will happen. So cheerleader बनने के लिए you have to go through failures, many failures, and only failures in life, because success will never ever get that fire of being a cheerleader for yourself. Never. because आपने फेलियर देखा ही नहीं है, तो बोलोगे ये हो जाएगा और होते जाएगा, तो फिर चीयरिंग की क्या ज़रूरत है. जब आप फेल हो गए हो, व्हेन यू आर डाउन, दैट्स व्हेन यू नीड समवन सपोर्ट एंड समवन टू टेल दैट यू कैन डू इट. जब वो नहीं मिलेगा तो आप सोचोगे कि यार कोई बोल क्यों नहीं रहा है मुझे कि हो जाएगा हो जाएगा. जैसे बचपन में आप पेरेंट्स यूज टू टेल दैट कि अच्छे से करो, यू विल गेट गुड मार्क्स. बट एट सम पॉइंट इन लाइफ पेरेंट्स को भी समझना पड़ता है कि यू आर गुड इनफ एंड matured enough to take your own decisions. And ठीक है, in that sometimes the decisions won't work out as you have planned. हो सकता है और होता है, अक्सर ज़्यादातर यही होता है, बहुत बार यही होगा that you will question your own decisions. खुद ही चीयर अब करना पड़ेगा खुद को, कोई और करने वाला है नहीं, कोई और करने आएगा नहीं, क्योंकि 24 घंटे तुमको तुम्हारे साथ रहना. यू हैव टू बी विथ योर सेल्फ 24 आवर्स. नो बडी एल्स इज़ देयर 24/7 to support you, to cheer you up that yes man, yes buddy, you can do it. Sometimes they'll come, sometimes they'll console and give that yeah it happens, it will happen, it takes time, ho jayega, and all those things. But at the end of the day, at the night when you are sleeping, you are your own best cheerleader, your own best supporter. No one else will come in your mind, come in your brain, and when everyone has left, you will be your own best supporter. That come what may, I have fallen 100 times, I'll get up 100 times, 101st time and make it happen. Because आपकी लाइफ आपको ही बदलनी है. No one else can help you. Sometimes someone may help you, but it is you who have to get that fructify that opportunity into success. Action and self-support, यही दो चीज़ें हैं that will take you to miles. So cheer leader होना अलग बात है, मगर self supporter, always standing by yourself. When no one else is standing by you, you should stand by yourself. That I am down and out. There is no one to help me. Only person can help me is myself. So I shall get up and try it one more time and make it work. Let's see what happens. No one else will support me. I'll support myself. Thank you.